Okay, I'm gonna show y'all how to fix this Xbox One controller. If your controller keeps shutting off like this, every time you cut it on, it just constantly cut off. I don't know why it does this, but it just keep cutting off. I got a little trick for it. And I know it ain't the batteries, I just got these batteries. Brand new. At the store, found them in the basket. When I try another controller, it worked. See there? We're good. But these motherfuckers, I got a little trick for it. Okay, this is what I do. I just grab the controller and I twist it. I kind of twist it, gently twist it. Don't twist it too hard where you can break it. Just twist it like kind of backwards. Like one part go up, one part go back. And try to cut it on like that. And it worked. I don't know why it does that, but if you're having this same problem, you can try that. And if it works, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll be having more videos.